Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to stop iOS 18.5 battery draining. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, to minimize battery drain during this period, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 18.5. So for this, go to settings. Next, tap on general and choose software update. Wait until the page is loading and then ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 18.5 and you are done. And also you should update all installed apps. Outdated apps may not be fully compatible with the new iOS version, leading to unnecessary power consumption. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of update all. Tap on it and update all the apps and you are done. These steps can help stabilize your device as it adapts to the new software and you are done. And the next thing is optimize your iPhone settings. For this, turn off unnecessary features like disable Siri suggestion and sound recognition and other features you really use. For this, go to settings and then scroll down and go to notifications and then tap on Siri suggestions. Tap on its toggle button to disable it. Next, go back to settings and choose accessibility. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of sound recognition. Tap on its toggle button to disable it and you are done. And also you should use static wallpapers. Animated wallpapers consumes more power compared to still images. So you should use static wallpapers instead of animated and you are done. And also you should limit airdrop. For this, go to settings. Next, choose general and choose airdrop and then choose receiving off from here and you are done. And also you should reduce haptic feedback. Turn off haptics for music and other non-essential functions. For this, go to settings, scroll down and choose sound and haptics and choose haptics and then choose never play and you are done. These small but impactful changes can collectively improve your iPhone's battery life. And the next step is manage widgets and apps. Many widgets such as weather, news and stocks fetch data in the background consuming power. Only keep widgets that you use frequently on your home screen. Remove unnecessary widgets. Similarly, apps running background process can drain your battery. To manage apps effectively, identify battery intensive apps. For this, check the battery section in the settings. See which apps consumes the most power, and also you should restrict background activity. Disable background app refresh for apps that don't need constant updates. For this, go back to settings, choose general and choose background app refresh. Tap on it and then turn off apps that don't need constant updates. Also, you should uninstall unused apps. Remove apps you rarely use, especially if they are power intensive. By managing widgets and apps, you can prevent unnecessary power consumption and extend your battery life. Location services also consume considerable power, especially when enabled for multiple apps. For this, set location access to while using the app. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to privacy and security option. Then choose location services. Set location access to while using the app. And also you should disable system services. Disable features like iPhone Analytics, significant location and location-based alerts to conserve power. Fine-tuning these settings can significantly reduce battery drain caused by network and location services and you are done. And also you should monitor battery usage and automate updates. Navigate to the battery section in the settings. To review detailed usage statistics, if certain apps consistently appears as top power consumers, limit their background activity. Disable background app refresh for these apps to reduce their power consumption and consider alternatives. Look for similar apps that are more energy efficient and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iOS 18.5 battery drain, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.